How to control your TikTok account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage or how to control your TikTok account easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, click on your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now go to your setting and privacy. Click on manage account, which is the first option. In here you have account information and account control. You can fix your account information by add or change phone number, email, password. You can also control to switch your account to a personal or business account by just click on the option you want and choose. And this is it, easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.